Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of WordPress plugins. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned WordPress user, having the right plugins can make a world of difference in managing and enhancing your website. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 essential WordPress plugins that are a must-have for every website. Let's get started. Plugin number 1, Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is an advanced tool that helps you optimize your content for search engines, enhancing your site's exposure and rankings. It is one of the most essential plugins for any WordPress website. Yoast SEO makes it simple to create XML sitemaps, evaluate content readability, and build up meta titles and descriptions. Anyone who is serious about the SEO performance of their website ought to have it. Plugin number 2, WordFence Security. Any website owner should constantly prioritize security. WordFence is a powerful security plugin that guards against brute force attacks, viruses, and other online dangers. You can relax knowing your website is safe since it offers thorough security reports, firewall protection, and real-time attack prevention. Plugin number 3, Updraft Plus. Regular website backups are crucial for safeguarding your data. A well-liked backup plugin that simplifies and guarantees the procedure is Updraft Plus. With Updraft Plus, you can set up automated backups, safely store them in cloud storage services like Dropbox or Google Drive, and quickly restore your website in an emergency. Plugin number 4, W3 Total Cache. For both SEO and user experience, speed is essential. With the help of content delivery networks, minifying CSS/JS files, and caching static material, W3 Total Cache is a performance optimization plugin that makes your website load more quickly. Enhancing page load times and overall site performance necessitates its inclusion. Plugin number 5, Happyforms. Every website needs a mechanism to gather leads, inquiries, and feedback from users. With Happyforms, you can easily design beautiful forms thanks to its user-friendly form builder plugin. Happyforms' drag-and-drop interface, pre-built templates, and sophisticated functionality can handle any type of form, be it a straightforward payment form, survey, or contact form. There you have it! The top 5 WordPress plugins that are necessary for any website. These plugins have the power to enhance your WordPress experience, regardless of your focus: security, backups, forms, SEO, or performance. Which of these plugins do you utilize, and which other ones do you use exclusively? Tell us in the comments section below. For more WordPress advice and tutorials, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, happy form building with Happyforms.